You won't believe how your peppers will react to this simple but powerful supplement. The plants will become stronger, the leaves will be dark green, and the fruits will be large, juicy and full of flavor. The first question for you is, do you grow peppers? Just write us yes or nitrogen monoxide in the comments so we can see how many of you grow this wonderful vegetable. Today we reveal the best and most effective organic supplement for peppers. And the good news is, you probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. Peppers are sensitive plants. They require rich soil, regular watering, and plenty of nutrients. Without proper care, peppers can lag behind in growth, be prone to diseases, and produce small, tasteless fruits. Instead of expensive artificial fertilizers, experienced gardeners are increasingly turning to organic solutions, simple, natural, and safe for you, your family, and your garden. And now we come to the real pearl. If you like this content, click like, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends on social networks. This is how you help our work and also reveal useful garden tips to others. Thank you very much. Stay till the end of the video to learn about this powerful supplement that will leave you speechless. For this supplement you will need 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 liter of lukewarm water. Mix the corn flour well in the water and let it stand for at least 2 hours. Then strain and use to water the plants around the roots. Every 10 to 15 days, corn flour contains useful enzymes and natural sugars that feed the plant, strengthen its immune system, and encourage flowering and fruit formation. Have you ever used cornmeal in the garden? Write us your experience in the comments, and don't forget to share this video. Let others hear about this natural and powerful supplement for peppers. See you in the next video.